بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم والليل إذا يغشى والنهار إذا تجلى وما خلق الذكر والأنثى إن سعيكم لشتى.
Surah Al-Layl. In the name of God, the most gracious, the ever merciful. The night bears witness when it overspreads, and the day also when it brightens. In the creation of the male and the female species, that if this world exists, the next world also does. And whatever you are doing shall necessarily have separate results in the next.
فأما من أعطى واتقى وصدق بالحسنى فسنيسره لليسرى وأما من بخل واستغنى وكذب بالحسنى فسنيسره للعسرى وما يغني عنه ماله إذا تردى.
Then he who gave in the way of God, adhered to piety, and believed in the good outcome, we shall ease his way to bliss. And he who was a miser, remained indifferent, and belied the good outcome, we shall ease his way to hardship. And what will his wealth avail him when he plunges into the pit?
إن علينا للهدى وإن لنا للآخرة والأولى فأنذرتكم نارا تلظى.
Our duty was to guide you, and in reality, this world and the next are under our control alone. So, O people of Makkah, I have warned you of the raging fire.
لا يصلاها إلا الأشقى الذي كذب وتولى وسيجنبها الأتقى الذي يؤتي ماله يتزكى وما لأحد عنده من نعمة تجزى إلا ابتغاء وجه ربه الأعلى ولسوف يرضى.
The most wretched leader of yours shall surely enter it, who denied and turned away. And our Prophet, the extremely God-fearing, shall certainly be kept away from it, who spends his wealth to purify his soul, and who does not confer any favor on anyone for recompense, but only to please his Lord, the Most High. And not long from now he shall also be very pleased from the favors of his Lord.